When the baby potatoes are finished boiling, drain them off, put them on a baking tray and smash them with a pot. When you finish taking out your aggression of the day on your potatoes, sprinkle over some crushed garlic still in their skins. Next up, put a fat of your choice, some lard or some olive oil or some coconut oil to moisten the potato. Next up, season with salt and pepper. Then proceed to put it in a nicely warmed oven to roast. When everything is beautiful and crispy and crunchy, take out of the oven and serve with salad or whatever it is that you want to have it with.
Running then, I never really saw her like me then. I was emotionally blind and find me, I need to feel the love, please, 'cause I'm way too lonely and this feeling just ain't right.